Hello everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart in a bit of a different scenery here in Beacon Fell. Now of course I've got today this brilliant 2-litre turbo diesel Volkswagen Caravelle. Now of course coming around the caravan you will notice that you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, front parking sensors. Of course this is based off the California. It is the beach model and we have of course put these 18-inch wheels on just to give it that better look, that beefier look. We've then also, I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. Around to the rear now, you've also got your rear bike rack, which of course you grab at the top here, pull down, and it will clamp in just so that you can put your bikes on there if you are going on a long weekend away. It might be a cycling trip. Now of course into the rear now, as you can see, we've got plenty of space in here. You've also got under storage just there. Of course this is part of the tabletop for the bed, as the seats do pull forward, fold down backwards, and then you can take the headrests out, mount them together, and your feet would go to this end. Coming back out again and around, as you can see, just showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course you will have already noticed that this is left-hand drive, as this is an import. And then coming around, I will just have to go around to this side. I'm not used to doing these left-hand drive caravans, or cars for that fact. But inside here now, as you can see, you've got the seats that twist round, facing into the rear, which you've got just here. So you've got the table, you've got the rear 3 bench as well, which again, as I mentioned earlier, folds down into 3. Then up into the top, it might be a little bit difficult to see. You've got the up top camping, so the tent will pop out. As you can see, it's not even been used once, as the cover is still on. Just quickly, as you'll see, I'll just quickly pause the video one moment. As you can see, now we are back into the front. I will just jump inside, showing you the multifunction steering wheel in the middle. So it does go up, down, in and out. And of course you've got your media controls on the left, voice assistant, onboard computer view, and then your other selections just there for what you do want to see. Of course this van has done 35,350 miles. And again, because it is an import, you do get the speedo in kilometers an hour. We've then got your infotainment display in the middle. As you can see, you've got your radio, which has your various sources. We've then got your media with your various sources again. You've then got satellite navigation. Now if you do choose to use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which this also has, you can then use your Google Maps and Apple CarPlay. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. And then you've got your air conditioning controls just below, just here. Now coming back outside the van now and into the rear, again you can see a better view of the rear table. Again, you've even got your bespoke little mats in the rear. And then of course coming down, and then you get the seat covers as well. But coming back outside now, if you do of course require any further information on this California, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.